for...
Hey, nice play, Jimmy! Nice play! Woo! All right, one more out! One more, let's go!
Oh, boy.
Lou. Outfield!
Keep it in front of you.
All right, let's go!
Oh, he's okay.
You okay?
Should have caught it.
Gave it everything you could.
Should have caught it.
We're really gonna miss you next year, Kyle. I wish every one of my kids played with your heart. Just remember me when you get to the majors, all right?
Congratulations to the 10-year-old All-Stars and state champions from Brookville, Massachusetts. Final score, Brookville 8, Princeton 7. Good luck at regionals, boys.
I think that's it. So what do you think?
I mean, the yard's a lot smaller than our other house.
That's not that much smaller. You want to test it out?
Right now?
Yeah. Huh? So listen, Kyle, I know moving's not the easiest thing for you, but I think we're really gonna like it here. But guess what? I was talking to some of the dads I work with. They said our 10s and 11s won states 2 years in a row. And our 12s went to the World Series.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you think I could make the All-Star team?
Yeah. I think you probably have just as good a shot as anybody. All right. Let's see that heater.
Dad.
Come on, just one. Keep up your accuracy. Good pitch. Hey, man.
Hey. How you doing with everything?
All right. One step at a time.
That's all we can do.
Hey, buddy. How's the unpacking going?
Good.
Good. You want to take a break? Go play catch with your brother?
Not really.
Now, come on. He'd love to make the travel team here. Besides, you should work off some of that rust, too. You can't just waltz onto varsity here.
Coach already called, though, and said he was excited for me to be on the team.
Yeah, but you're going to have to prove to him that you can play.
He was at regionals when I threw that no-hitter against New Jersey.
Xavier, there's more to the game than pitching.
I went 3 for 4 with 2 homers. Anyways, I think it's time I start focusing more on girls and a little bit less on baseball.
Yeah, why don't you sit down and relax until that feeling goes away, and then go practice with Kyle.
Hey, Dad. You know, now that we're in this new town and all, I'm really trying to move away from Xavier. So if you could just, like, call me X.
X?
Yeah. X. Dad. Dad, seriously. Dad, come on!
Hey, Mr. Howard.
How's it going?
Here you go. Yeah, right. All right, class, settle down. Settle down. Welcome back. Hope everyone had a nice spring break. Did anyone do anything interesting?
I went to the Kennedy Space Center.
That's cool, Billy. Did you get a good look at Uranus?
Ha 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 ha. Very funny, Glenn. Grow up. All right, class, listen. We have a new student in our homeroom, so please welcome, boom, Xavier Cook. Come on. Come on up, man. Come on. So do you pronounce it Xavier or X-Xavier?
It's Xavier, but everyone just calls me X. So that's what I go by.
X.
Yeah.
All right, so how did you spend your spring break?
A lot of unpacking and played a little baseball with the guys.
Oh, so you're the new pitcher Coach Barrett's been
Yeah.
crowing about.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, well, hey, welcome to our school.
Thank you.
Yeah. Listen, if you have any questions about your class schedule, come talk to me, okay? Glenn, see me after class. No, matter of fact, go stand in the corner. Always telling jokes. I'm not playing, boy. Go stand in the corner.
Hey, you know where,
X? X?
Hi.
Hi. Do you know where you're going?
Not really.
Here, let me see. Oh, room 139 is actually in the annex building. That's about 2 blocks away.
What?
I'm only kidding. Just down the hall. Miss Bartone is great too. You got lucky.
Thank you.
Brooke.
Brooke. Thank you, Brooke. You're like my guardian angel.
Try to snap your wrists through a little earlier. That's it.
Dad, can I get a new bat this year?
That one's still got some pop in it.
It's old. Xavier used it for 2 years.
Back to hitting. Nice. Hey, you must be Rick.
Yeah.
I sent you an email about my son Kyle.
Oh, yeah, Tim, right?
I wish. Ted Cook.
Kyle, how you doing, buddy?
Good.
I'm Coach Rick. This is Max. You ready to play some ball?
Yeah,
Yeah?
always, Coach.
Why don't you head out to short? Max, you want to play first? Has he played much ball?
Oh, yeah. He's been playing since he was 4.
What positions?
Just about anywhere. He played center and short on the City All-Star team last year.
Yeah? How'd you guys do?
Runner-up in states, Massachusetts.
Right. We beat that Mass team in regionals last year. Kyle, why don't you head out to center? It's a big commitment, you know? All-star teams. Travel, hotel rooms, maybe flights. Gets expensive.
Hey, buddy, put some zip on it.
Wow. He's got a cannon.
Yeah.
Does he pitch?
Nah, he doesn't really like to pitch.
Really?
That's a cool shirt.
Thanks. It's the All-Stars practice jersey. We're the bats. Get it?
How many kids tried out?
Like 30, but only 12 of us made it. 8 kids are really good, and then 4 spots go to the coach's kids. You look like you're good enough to make it if a spot opens up.
Oh, you're up.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, hun. How's today?
It was all right. Kind of weird to be selling again. I mean, I'm 40 and I'm back doing the same job as when I got out of college.
Except by my calculations, you're actually 42. Well, Kyle had a great time at practice. He really likes the new team.
Good. What's up with Xavier?
Oh, you mean X? I am not allowed to call him Xavier anymore. And I heard him on the phone with a girl.
Dad, check it out.
Hey, nice uni, bud.
And the best part?
Oh, you got your number? Nice.
Yeah, but AJ said another kid on the All-Star team already has 7, so I'll have to think of a new one for that.
Well, let's make the team first. Then we can worry about a number.
Oh, and our first game is against the coach of the All-Star team.
Well, that's good. Let's get practicing. Show them what you got, huh? Hmm?
Jason! You gotta make that catch! Take the piano off your back and hustle, or you won't play another game this year.
Hey, good try, buddy. Good effort.
How's the team?
Pretty good. We picked up a new kid that can really play.
Is he better than my speed demon and right? Who?
Sure.
Well, I only got 1 spot left, and I think I'm gonna give it to Murray's kid.
Really?
He ain't too bad. His old man hired us to put an addition on his house.
I don't know. We might want to give this new kid a shot.
Come on, Mace. Let's put one in play now. Nice hit, buddy!
That was a hit.
Dig it, dig it, dig it. Come on now. Nice running, Mace. Okay, Trevor, let's let it rip.
Dad.
First base, throw to first. He's out of there. Woo! Great toss, Kyle. Great throw.
Hey, don't get too excited, kid. That was all luck.
That was pretty good. I mean, just another triple play, but way to go, team.
Dad, I want to get a tryouts an hour early tomorrow so we can warm up.
Well, I don't know about an hour, buddy.
Well, can we go practice grounders now then?
Kyle, relax. Your mother and I are taking care of some things right now.
I need money.
Oh, hi. How was practice?
It was awesome. We're naming the pitching rotation the X-Men, and instead of using a K, we're using an X to mark strikeouts.
Really? So how do you write a backwards X if someone gets caught looking?
We didn't think of that.
Sorry for the mess. We're still settling in.
Holy hottie! You're Xavier's girlfriend? You're way too pretty to be Xavier's girlfriend.
Oh, how cute. He still calls you Xavier.
Yeah, so cute.
Kyle, they are just friends.
Well, she's too pretty to be his friend.
Got enough money?
Yeah, but we better get out of here. You know, the movie's gonna start soon, so, see you later. Bye.
Be careful. Call us if you need anything.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna make the team.
Just give it your best tomorrow. That's all you can do.
Did you ever want to be a baseball player when you were a kid, Dad?
Yeah. Of course I did.
Then why didn't you?
Well, it's not that easy.
But you said that if you try your best and never give up, you can do anything.
You can. And that's true for anything, not just sports.
Then what happened? Did you get hurt?
No, well, as I got older, I just started focusing on other things, and then baseball became more just for fun. I guess I gave up without really knowing it.
Dad, can you make sure I don't give up?
Go!
Dig. 3.16.
Go! Come on now.
3.25.
Go! Woo!
2.7.
I think he's got you, AJ.
Go! Come on, let's dig!
2.6.
My man. Go! Hustle. Nice wheels.
2.9.
Listen, you need to hustle, all right? Go! Hustle, hustle! Hustle!
Dig. 3.4. Nice hustle.
That's not happening. Next.
Nice bat. Where'd you find that? Somebody's garbage?
Hey, look alive, fellas. Rotate.
Big toss. Look alive, Mason. Look alive.
Get it!
How am I supposed to get to that?
Stop whining and make the play. Come on, Mace. That's it. That looks good, fellas. More of that. Rotate.
Ow!
Let's go. Hustle. Make a play for home. I want to see those arms. Nice job. Rotate.
Come on. It's a good jump yet. It was a bullet.
Let's bring it in.
Let's jog it in, fellas. Hustle up.
All right, listen up. Anyone trying out for pitchers, stay here. Everybody else, you can go. And check the website Wednesday to see if you made the team.
Good work, guys.
We can bundle your internet, all your wireless. Hi, we can bundle all your... We can bundle all your wireless devices for 30% less. Hey, is everything okay? I got a sales meeting in 5 minutes.
Kyle didn't make the team.
What? But I thought they weren't gonna post it until tomorrow.
He checked right after school and they were there. He wants to talk to you.
Okay, put him on.
Dad,
Hey, honey.
I got cut.
Yeah, Mom just told me. Listen, I think there might be a mistake.
Can you call Coach and find out?
Yeah, I will. And, let's not worry about it until we find out for sure, okay?
Okay. I love you.
Love you too, buddy. See you later.
Rick, I watched the entire tryouts. You can't tell me he wasn't one of the best kids out there.
The tryouts are just one part of the process.
He's batting over 500. He plays any position you need him to.
I pushed for Kyle, but Chad makes the final decisions. You need to talk to him.
I will talk to Chad. And you know what, Rick? You need to get some...
Hey.
That list was right. His friend texted him.
I know. I talked to Rick.
Well, he's downstairs.
Wait, what's wrong?
Kyle got cut from the All-Star team.
What? That's bullshit. Shoes. Bullshit. He's probably the best kid out there. Better than half of our JV team.
I'll go talk to him.
Yeah.
Hey. Honey, it's okay to be sad. You can't be upset with yourself. You didn't do anything wrong. The only reason you didn't make the team is because you were treated unfairly. I know it doesn't feel like it right now, but this is just a minor setback, all right? Never let something like this knock you off course. Use it to make you stronger. Hey, buddy, come here. It's gonna be okay. I'll talk to Chad after your game this weekend, okay? Besides, if that's what it's like here, what do you think about playing in a different league next year?
I don't know.
In the air to right, pretty well hit. Keep your eye on it. Back to the track, to the wall, and it's gone. Brock Holt with a solo homer to lead off the eighth, and it's a one-run game.
I'm not going to wear 7 next year. I'm going to wear number 12. That's my year. I'm going to be the best player in the state.
Yeah? That's my man. But listen. It starts right now. When you wake up tomorrow morning, you are on a mission. You don't stop training, you don't stop practicing, you don't stop fighting until you are the absolute best ball player you can be. Got it?
Got it.
Oh, what are you doing up?
You said it started when I woke up this morning.
Yeah, well, I kind of meant that, you know, figuratively.
I don't know what that means. Here's your glove. Come on.
Hey, good job, buddy. No, I'm heading over.
Okay, but, honey, be constructive. Hey, good job.
Chad, you got a minute?
Yeah. What's up?
Hey, I'm Tad. I'm Kyle Cook's father. Hey, man. Yeah, listen, he's pretty crushed about not making the travel team.
Yeah. He's pretty good, but we got a core group that's done really well the last few years.
Yeah, no, I get that, but, you know, he's having a great season this year, and frankly, I watched the entire tryouts, and there weren't many kids better than him.
Well, you know, he missed that fly ball.
Missed it. He was the only one close to it.
Yeah, but that's the kind of thing that costs you the game. Listen, he's just not ready for the All-Star team. You should think about having him pitch, though. We always need pitchers.
Chad, let's quit dancing around this. He should have made the team, and you know it. All right, don't give me this load of garbage about pitching.
I'll tell you what. There are a lot of good kids that didn't make the team. Maybe next year we can have a B team, and he gets some travel games in then. How about that?
You're a punk. Oh, yeah. Have you ever swung a bat before? Your swing is terrible.
Okay, how'd it go?
Oh, went great. I think we'll be joining a new league next year. You ready to practice?
Born ready.
Keep your head in there. Don't pull your head away, even after contact. Your eyes never leave the tee, okay? Focus.
Can you pitch something to me now?
Nope. Fundamentals, Kyle.
Get your glove down earlier, Kyle. Ready position. Here we go. Nice, that's better.
Can we do some backhands?
Nope. Fundamentals, buddy.
Nice, stop.
Take a couple steps back, then come in for the catch. Forward motion.
Can we do some diving catches? Okay, fundamentals. Hi, Brooke.
Hey, Kyle. Sorry I didn't make the team.
It's fine. I'll make it next year. Win states, probably make it to the World Series.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Did you know that if you two married, your name would be Brooke Cook? Hey, Xavier? Hey, Xavier? X. Can you practice with me after school?
I don't know.
What do you mean? Help your brother.
Yeah, help your brother. What do you want to be?
I want to be a scientist.
She's gonna work on artificial intelligence. Create the future.
Dad, tell Xavier to practice with me during fall ball.
Practice with your brother. Kyle, you can train on your own too, you know. Remember, whenever you're not practicing, somewhere someone else is, and when you meet him, he will win. So be the one who's always practicing.
Swing looks great. You're just a little ahead of it. Timing, remember? Timing's the most important part of hitting. Sit back and wait on this one.
Dad, that's my first homer.
First to many, buddy. I'm gonna throw a little faster. Just lay off, watch a few go by, get your timing. All right, swing away. Perfect. I'm gonna throw even faster. Time it coming out of my hand.
Throw it even harder.
Faster? You think you can handle the cheese? I pitched in college, remember?
Come on, Dad.
All right. Don't get too excited, because I'm going to blow this right past you. Here comes the heater.
Now you know what the pros have to deal with.
One more.
Kyle!
What?
It's brand new. Your grandparents just got you that for Christmas.
I really like it, but I can't throw in it.
Then don't practice in it.
But then the rest of me gets cold.
Okay. No more outdoor winter practice.
You know, why don't you two give it a break?
Mom, I'm not stopping. Can't you make Xavier practice with me?
What's wrong with me?
Nothing. But he never plays with me anymore.
He still loves you, buddy. He's just... Well, you know, he's a young man now, and his interests change a little bit.
So you can't make him do it?
Honey, honestly, I don't think it's gonna happen. Get your hips around.
Dad, aren't you supposed to be at work now?
I'm in sales, so I can shuffle things around.
I don't want to have to move again, Dad. So, if Xavier practiced with me, then you could do more work, and then everything would be fine.
Kyle, I can't force him. No one can.
Hey, you coming up?
Yeah.
You want to talk?
I don't know if I can make this work. I feel like I've ruined everything for us. I mean, look at me. I'm a loser, for crying out loud. My boss is 27 years old. I know 10 times as much as anyone in the region, and I can't make a sale to save my life.
Just give it time. You'll figure it out.
I don't want the boys to have a failure for a father.
Oh, Ted, would you just stop it? You know, you should listen to what you say to the kids. Take your own advice. It works. And if it doesn't, you can always move in with my parents. That was just a little extra motivation.
Buddy, good news. I got you signed up for a team in Brighton. They're not even in our district.
All right.
Isn't that far away?
It's like 40 minutes away. They do it differently there. All right, so all the new kids go for an evaluation in 2 weeks, and then they divide the kids into an A, B, and C team. At the end of the season, the best 12 kids on the A team get selected for the All-Star team. But here's the thing. They use a selection committee. 2 of the coaches' kids didn't even make the All-Star team last year. Where are you going?
Practice.
Don't you have to live in a city to play on its team?
You do. I rented an apartment.
Ted, have you lost your mind?
It's a really cheap apartment, and we might be living there anyway if things don't turn around here soon. Honey, this is his one shot. He doesn't get to be 12 again. Right? And they'll never let him on the team here. They wouldn't let Hank Aaron on the team here. And I know it's crazy, but I gotta do it. Okay? We have to give him a chance to live his dream.
Then make him a champion.
Go! Dig, dig, dig!
Nice. Awesome, man. Awesome. Now we gotta get some protein in you, replenish those muscles.
What should I eat?
Meat, chicken, maybe make you some tuna.
Ugh, I hate tuna.
Hey, it doesn't matter what it tastes like, we just gotta get it in your system. Rocky drank raw eggs.
I should have tried that.
Hey, Kyle. How's it going?
Hi. X, can you practice with me? I only have 2 weeks before my evaluation.
I can. I won't have time with school and practice and everything.
Please, it only has to be a half hour. Doesn't even have to be every day.
Sorry, bud.
So, if you had more time, you'd help Kyle?
Yeah, I mean, I'd love to help him,
Wow.
but...
Well, let's break up then.
What?
That'll give you a lot of time back.
Um...
And then I'm gone for good.
Hold on. Weight on your toes. Even distribution. And watch the pitcher's knee. Throw with your hips, just as much as your arm. Ready?
One more lap.
In the chest.
There's no way I'm doing those.
All right, watch this.
All right, you ready? Here you go.
Come on. Hit him harder. Harder.
They don't need to be fast for this drill.
These are too easy.
Okay, fine.
You can slow him down now.
That's what I thought.
Come on, Kyle! Book that hot shot! Good job.
I don't want to pitch.
You don't have to, but you gotta get over it. Mental strength in baseball is just as important as physical. You need to tune everything out. Focus. Laser focus. All right? Now, give it a shot, okay? Try and get close, okay? Got this. All right, close your eyes. Close them. Let your mind go blank. Picture a black sky with only one star right in the middle of it. Focus on it. Open your eyes, but not your mind. See that ball? That ball is your star. Focus and hit it. You are now the Dragon Warrior. Go. Nice job today, buddy. You're gonna kill it tomorrow.
I can do this. I can do this.
You sure you got everything?
Yeah, I checked last night.
Looks a little different for some reason. Check if your bat's in there.
I know it is.
Just check before I leave. That's the last piece of the puzzle, Kyle. Let's show him what you got. And don't tell your mother, huh? Hey, Ted Cook.
Hey.
This is Kyle.
Hey, Kyle. Coach John.
Hi, Coach.
Wow, that's quite a few new players out there.
Oh, a lot of them are from last year's A-team. They tell me that they're here for the workout, but they're really here to just check out the competition. Why don't you go out and warm up and introduce yourself to the rest of the guys?
Okay.
You're Xavier's dad too, right?
Yeah.
That boy is building himself quite a reputation. He struck out 11 in a row against our high school squad.
Yeah, he was dialed in.
Please tell me Kyle can pitch like that.
He can. Probably better, but he doesn't. He used to pitch, but When he was 9, he hit a kid in the ribs. The kid's heart stopped. Kid collapsed, didn't look like he was gonna make it. EMT that was sitting in the stands came rushing out, revived the kid right there on the field, thank God. I mean, Kyle was distraught, said he'd never pitch again, and he hasn't. Yeah, he doesn't like to talk about it.
Understood. Take care.
Thanks.
All right, let's go. Come on. You guys loose? Yeah. Good. Okay. Guys from last year, find a place in the field. New guys, head on in for BP.
Anything you're looking to see, Coach?
Nope, just make solid contact. Try to hit to all fields if you can.
Got it.
Does this kid even know how to hit?
Something wrong with those? All right, swing away then. Nice hit. Well, it's certainly hitting to all fields.
Kyle, put one in the woods!
Go for it. What are you doing?
Just pitch at the same speed.
Listen up, if your parents have any vacation plans this summer, you better tell them to cancel them.
Jimmy, call your AD and tell him to send a scout down here. Oh, he's 12. No, trust me. You want to start watching this kid now.
Hey, Kyle. Guess what? You made the A team.
Congratulations, sweetheart.
Cool.
Cool? That's it? Just cool, huh?
Yeah. Cool. We're gonna win districts, then states, then regionals, and then we're gonna win the World Series.
Okay. Well, Brighton got swept in the districts last year, so let's just take it one game at a time.
We're winning districts. We're not losing a game this year.
Really?
Not if I have anything to do with it.
Whoa.
Cal, you can...
What is that bat?
Yeah. Yeah, what's that bat?
Okay, boys. This is our team. We're going to be spending a lot of time together this year, and our #1 goal is to improve on last year, right?
Let's go, Coach.
I want to see all you guys working hard. I'd support your teammates. Okay, I need you guys focused on every single play, every single pitch. Right, we had a few mental errors last year, and it cost us some games. That will not fly this year. Every team is better than they were last year. And I guarantee you that every 12-year-old has the same dream that you guys have, making it to the World Series. We have one new player on our team this year, Kyle Cook. You might remember him from tryouts.
Kyle, how come you're able to make that kind of contact on every swing?
I practice a lot.
And how do you always know how to get your body positioned properly when you're making a play?
I practice that a lot too.
What about throwing? How do you keep up that accuracy?
Practice.
And how do you do that crazy body swingy thing?
Oh, I just kind of made that one up on my own.
All right, listen up, boys. You want to have fun this year, right?
Yes, Coach.
Why play the game if we're not going to have fun? Well, I'll tell you right now, the better you are at baseball, the more fun you're going to have playing baseball. And the only way you're going to get better is by practicing. Every day, whenever you have free time, practice. And if you have a question, ask somebody. You with me?
Yes, Coach.
All right, let's go practice. Come on.
Let's go, guys.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing. Practicing the knuckle curve.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good pitch.
Looking good. How you doing, champ?
Good.
Ta-da!
Hey, what are those for?
For your enjoyment. And I closed that bundle deal.
Congratulations! Mwah.
Yeah, well, let's not get too excited. It's a small thing, but hopefully the first of many.
Well, we just got the schedule, and their tournaments start on the same day. So I'm gonna call their coaches, see if maybe they can bring them to some games.
Well, let me know the days. Maybe I can take off a little early.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I can manage it.
Are you sure?
Didn't you just ask me if I was sure?
But are you sure you're sure?
I'm sure, I'm sure.
What's wrong?
Pitching against Brighton today. They have a kid who's 7 for 7 with 5 homers. He's like 6 feet tall and has a beard already. I think I'll walk him.
You know I got the scout, right? I gotta go warm up.
Come on now. Nice. Good, fellas. Bring it in.
Reg, lay off the high ones. How many times do I have to tell you? Come on!
That was a little high. I'll forgive you this time.
Let's go, Alex. This kid can't hit you. Blow it past him now.
He's a looker. He's not gonna swing.
2 more. Sit him down now.
listen up. Hey, pipe down. Come on now, this is important. We're up 13 now, so we get the next 3 outs, and we end this game early, all right? Max, you take third base. Mason, you're pitching, all right? You close this one out for us, all right, buddy? Bring it in. Oakwood on 3, all right? 1, 2, 3.
Oakwood!
Let's go!
Come on, Mace.
Get under it, Aiden! 2 heads!
Yeah! Good catch, Aiden! Good catch! All right, boys, line her up. Great job out there today, boys. Great hitting all the way through the lineup. Jimmy, way to make the double play. Let's just keep it together these last 2 games. We win this district, we roll through states, right? Let's bring it in. Oakwood, 1, 2, 3. Oakwood!
Nice game, fellas. Nice game.
Hey, guys. I told you once we got to districts, we play to win. I'll let your parents know you wouldn't play much. We're here in case somebody gets hurt or if there's an emergency, right? That's all I can tell you.
Let's go.
Let's go, Evan. We need some runs and this game's over.
I got it! I got it! I got it!
Yes, keep going! Go, 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 go! Dig it out! Dig it out, yeah! You got it! Cruise it in! Yeah! All right! Let's line it up, boys! Nice!
Nice hustle. Good game, Sandbridge.
Good game.
Nice job, guys.
Good game.
Good game.
Hey, Rick. Let's book those hotel rooms now for the World Series.
World Series? We need to figure out how to get to regionals.
Brighton's undefeated. They've outscored the other team 75-9 so far.
Brighton sucked last year.
Well, they don't suck now.
At least the Sox got $100 grand for Ruth. We ought to send you flowers.
So you guys ready for states?
Yeah, they've never been there before.
You'll be fine. Just play your hardest and keep everyone focused.
You sound like Dad. Do you think he'll be okay?
I think as long as we're okay, he'll be okay. You know what I mean? Dad's always trying to act like he wants us to act. Even when he was faking it. I think he just needs to feed off of us for a little bit. So let's light these tournaments up, alright?
This afternoon's matchup features 2 undefeated teams. The Brighton All-Stars, who seem to be scoring runs at will, and Freeport, coming off a big win over the Oakwood Devils, sending them to the elimination bracket.
Well, hopefully you'll get more from the next game. I'm sorry about that.
Oh, come on, don't sweat it, kid. He's as good as you say he is. I'd walk him every time, too.
You sticking around?
Yeah, I'm going to catch some of the Babe Ruth tournaments. There's a lot of talent out there. All right, I'll call you later, all right?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. You did great. Head out and take center.
Coach.
Come on, we gotta save Jared's arm. Tommy!
Why him?
All right, buddy. Ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
All right, just relax and throw strikes, okay?
Yeah.
All right, do your thing. Let's go! Whoa. Nervous?
A little bit.
That's okay. You're overthrowing. Just take a little something off it and throw strikes, okay?
Mhm.
So, guys, let's have some fun. Just playing catch.
Cool. And strike, all right?
This kid's 12?
Just turned 13. His dad was in the Dodgers bullpen for 6 years.
Great.
Okay, Cam. Now you've seen one. Give this next pitch a ride. It's all right. It's only one. Come on, Ricky. Let's go. Good call, Ricky. Time it now. Let's go. It's all right. That wasn't your pitch. Get him next time. It's all right. Come on, guys. We still got this. Okay, it's all right. Come on, guys. Let's go. We can do a lot with two, right, Coach? Right, Coach?
Kyle, go have a seat. This game's over.
Let's go, Joey!
Let's go, Mason. One more pitch, buddy. One more pitch. Way to go, buddy. Good job. Good job, boys. All right, bats on three. 1, 2, 3. Bats! 1, 2, 3. Bats! 1, 2, 3. Bats! All right. Great win out there today, boys. Great win. Now listen, we're probably going to see these guys again in the championship.
That's right.
We got a little lucky. They could afford to lose a game, so they held their aces. But they have to play them tomorrow, which means that their arms are going to be tired when they play us. We are winning the championship, we are winning the regionals, and we are going to the World Series, yeah?
Yeah!
You got that?
Yeah!
You got that?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good!
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good!
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Take center field. Oh, look. 3 pitches. Get us out of this, okay? We'll be good. All right?
They can't walk you now, buddy. They can't walk you now. Wait for your pitch.
It should be interesting.
No, he didn't. Shoes. What'd I tell you?
Xavier, you ready?
Yeah. Where are my slides?
Right in front of you.
Oh. Good luck today, buddy.
You too. How many kids you gonna strike out?
All of them. You gonna bring that trophy home, right?
Yeah.
Good luck, X.
Thanks, Dad.
Throw hard, focus.
Hey, Kyle, have fun out there today. I'll see you before warm-ups.
Remember when you told me you were gonna win states?
Yeah.
Well, you didn't come this far to only come this far. Win it.
Thank you so much.
You got everything?
Yep.
Batting gloves?
Yep.
You excited?
Yeah, kind of nervous.
Sit down. So listen, those nerves, they'll go away when you start warming up. You'll be fine. But you have to leave it all out there today. This is everything you've been working towards. All right? Win or lose, you have to know that you did everything you could. All right, so they're a good team. They've been here before, and you're probably not going to get much to hit. So be patient, be smart, okay?
Okay.
I'm so proud of you. You've amazed me. You really have. Now let's finish this, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 12-year-old Connecticut State Championship between Brighton and Oakwood. Both teams have 4 wins and 1 loss, entering this winner-take-all game. Good luck to all of our All-Stars.
Coaches, play conference, please. How you doing, guys?
Good, thanks.
Okay. The field is totally enclosed all the way around, so that means everything is in play. Oakwood, you're the defending champion, so therefore you're the home team. Are there any questions?
No, sir.
Let's play ball.
Good luck, Coach. Bring it in, boys.
Come on, let's go. Fellas, 1, 2, 3. Oakwood! Let's go, hit the field. Patient.
Now batting, number 46, Diego Diaz.
Play. There we go. Start us off.
Hey!
All right, hang in there, hang in there.
Hey! Way to go, Mace. Hey, 3. Hop.
Coming up the bat is number 8.
Shake anything off. Nice.
Someone right back at him, Justin.
Now batting, number 12, Kyle Cook. Cook leads in every batting category and has set tournament records for
Hey,
home
fellas,
runs and RBIs.
back it up. Back it up. Come on now.
Hang in there, hang in there. That's it.
No, Bun! Bun! 2! He's covering third.
Can't any of you make this play?
Come on, Mason.
Batting cleanup, number 27, Tommy Weir.
Oh. Come on, get your head in the game. Home!
This kid's got a future.
Coming to bat is number 8, Eliza Evans. Evans has a chance to cut the lead with runners on first and second.
Four!
seen a little leaguer do that before?
I've never seen a major leaguer do that before.
One more, Mason. Come on.
All right, this is it, guys. 3 outs, right? We hold them for 3 outs. We're state champions. You gonna do this?
Yeah!
You gonna shut them down?
Yeah!
You do this, this memory will last a lifetime. Take us out, Kyle.
Brighton on 3. 1, 2, 3, Brighton!
All right, boys, let's go. This is it. Buddy?
Where'd he get you? Where'd he get you?
Can you get up?
Yeah, can you stand?
1, 2, 3, yeah. There. Did great.
How many did Ricky throw yesterday?
70. He can't go. Can you get up?
You all right?
Yeah, buddy. All right.
Tommy!
Coach! Can I pitch?
But you never asked, buddy. No, you never asked. Head back on out. Brandon! Take short!
Have you seen him throw?
I heard he's never pitched before.
Really?
Kyle, don't worry. Just stare at the glove and just throw like you're playing catch, right? And you don't have to overthrow because you got a strong arm. And don't worry about hitting anybody.
Coach, go have a seat. This game's over.
Go get him.
Just one. Keep up your accuracy.
Good pitch.
Bring it in, guys. Joey, this one's coming to you, okay?
This kid's never been on a mound before. I want you stealing on the first pitch. You won't even look you back.
Okay, got it.
Look sharp!
Keep going.
Go get the gun. Go get the gun.
Yeah.
Read.
Is that a knuckle curve? Did that kid just throw a knuckle curve?
Now batting number 53, A.J. Garcia.
Ball.
He's about to teach a bully a lesson. Hey.
Pitching?
Yeah. How'd it go?
I let up one. What's he doing?
All four. Take a base.
Now batting number 13, Mason Hastings.
That shiny new bat's not gonna help you.
You're the winning run. Come on now. Let's rip one.
Looks like Cooper's gonna stay on the windup. Focus on the bat.
You gotta be kidding me. What's your record for 12-year-olds?
Well, it was 81.
Come on, get around early and drive that fastball. Come on.
That wasn't my fastball. You want to see my fastball?
This kid's superhuman. A 12-year-old arm cannot throw that high.
Hey, coach. How'd you like if he threw that at your son's head?
Come on, throw that again.
I can throw it harder if you want.
Bring it on.
You ready for the heat?
Again.
Congratulations to the Brighton All-Stars, our Connecticut State champions. Final score, Brighton 2, Oakwood 1. Good luck at regionals, boys. Make us proud.
Hey, Ted. You got a second?
Hey, Chad.
Hey. I was wrong not to give Kyle a shot last year. Him and a lot of other kids. I'm really sorry about that. Your son, he's the greatest baseball player I've ever seen. Ever.
Listen, I'm sorry too.
No,
I was,
no.
you know, in a way, I should be thanking you. I don't think Kyle would have worked that hard if he hadn't been cut.
Funny how things work out.
Game, Coach. Excuse me, Mr. Cook. Mrs. Cook. I'm Lou Gray. I head up scouting for Stanford University's baseball program. I'd like to talk to you about your son if you have room.
Isn't that some sort of recruiting violation? I mean, Kyle's only going into 8th grade.
No. I don't think Kyle's right for Stanford. He's Bud Xavier. Look, I caught a couple of his games this week, and I think with a little work on his breaking ball and if his grades are good, I think we'd be interested in offering him a full scholarship. So you know, that's about a $300,000 investment on our part and your son. All right. Look, I realize this is coming out of, well, left field, okay? Here's my card. Why don't you guys talk about it and give me a call in a day or two, and maybe we can discuss this further, all right? Pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Mr. Gray,
Yes.
just curious. Why don't you think Stanford's right for Kyle?
Look, as a recruiting coach, I travel around the world all year long looking at young ball players, Mr. Cook. There's no question in my mind that in a couple of years, Kyle will be the #1 prospect on this entire planet. In fact, the day he graduates high school, some major league organization will be offering you a $100 million contract. Even Stanford can't compete with that. Look, I have to say this. Obviously, you got a couple of great ball players in your boys. But when I've seen their interaction with their coaches, their teammates, you two have raised 2 fine young men. You should be proud. Now, look, I shouldn't tie you up any longer. It's a pleasure meeting you. I look forward to talking some more. Have a great evening. Be well, my friends.